Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishnayar from Moogambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 25th May 2026, Vaigashi Masam, 11th Monday, Parabhavanama Sambalsaram, Uttarayanam, Vasandardo, Vaigashi Masam, that is the Rishabha Masam, Shuklapaksham, Tithi morning up to 9:11 a.m. Navami, then Dashami. Monday, Somavasaram, Nakshatram, morning up to 7:19 a.m. Puran Nakshatram, then Uttaram Nakshatram. Today's Rahuvalam, 7:30 to 9 a.m. Yamagandam, 10:30 to 12 noon. Guliyagalam, 1:30 to 3 p.m. Good time, 9 to 10:30 a.m. Then 5 to 5:30 p.m. Today's Chandrashtamam, up to 1:24 p.m. Magar Rashi, then Kumbha Rashi. Shulam East. Prayachittam Kart. Shraddha Tithi Dashami. Om Sri Matre Namaha. Om Sri Matre Namaha. Om Sri Matre Namaha.